is Turkiela and DJ. We're going to read you another story. We hope you like it. The title is Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. It's written by Eric Litwin and the art by James Dean, the creator of Pete the Cat. We also have, to help us out with the story, a picture of Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons to see and count how many buttons he has left. So let's see what happens. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. Can you help me out with the song? My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's see.
3!
3! 1, 2, 3 buttons Pete has left. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. It says groovy. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? A button popped off. Oh no! 2 buttons are left. 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
1!
He only has 1 left. Oh no! 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt and what do you think he saw? His belly button! There it is. And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button.
I sounded a bird.
He said,
I saw a bird.
There is a bird right there, you're right. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. We hope you enjoyed that story. Pete the Cat is another one of our favorites around here.